Hey there YouTube, this is me again with my German Adler typewriter number 7. I painted the space bar down here and cleaned it up a little bit, nice and shiny. And seems the decals I got were not the same size or the same kind of look to them, so I'm going to have to get with the seller, see if he can maybe give me something else, but or refund my money. But I wanted to talk to you about this new thing. I've used it on many of my typewriters. I got this plastic thing from some car seats I got from my car, and it was the right size for this typewriter, I imagined. And yes, it is. It closes very nicely, keeps the dust out. So a lot of times you can get these for larger typewriters. When you buy blankets or pillowcases, they sometimes come in plastics. You have to kind of look at them in Walmart or Kmart, wherever you go, and see if you can find something that can fit your typewriter. It sure helps some of these ugly cases these typewriters have, at least with this you can actually still see the typewriter. You keep the dust away from it, which is one of the biggest deals with them not working or kind of sticking keys. But yeah, this is works excellently. It fits just perfectly. And typewriter types pretty good. And like I say, I shined it up. What I do is I use the citrus label remover stuff. You got to be careful with that though, because when you apply it, you have to wipe it off. Like 2 or 3 seconds later, it wipes up all the cigarette stains and everything they used to use in the past. But if you leave it on there for more than I'll say 5 minutes or 5 minutes or more, it starts to eat on the actual gloss paint. So you want to just apply it, clean it, wash it, and you'll be able to get all the gunk out and just leave the nice shiny color that it's already got. Always be careful with the decals. Test it first. If the decals are silver, they're ruined. You'll have to get a new one to use water slide on and to put one back in. So anyhow, this is my Adler number 7. It's the only German typewriter I've got, and it's got glass keys on it. Works pretty good. The ink needs a little bit more ink. I mean, the ribbon needs a little bit more ink. So I'll be taking care of that pretty soon. All right, well, that's it for y'all. Take care. Have a good day.